Have you ever walked into a showroom, luxury garage, warehouse, or modern commercial space and seen a floor so glossy, so seamless, so clean that it almost looked like glass? No grout lines, no dust-trapping joints, no rough texture, just one smooth, durable, professional surface. That is the power of a properly installed 100% solids epoxy floor. But here's something most people don't realize. Not all epoxy floors are the same. Some epoxy products contain solvents. Some contain water. Some shrink while curing. But 100% solids epoxy is different. It contains pure solids with no evaporating solvent. That means higher build thickness, stronger performance, better durability, longer life, and a truly professional-grade finish. But it also means installation must be done correctly, because 100% solids epoxy is less forgiving than cheap systems. Welcome back to Hanen Epoxy. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the complete professional process of installing a 100% solids epoxy floor. We'll cover what 100% solids epoxy actually means, why professionals use it, surface preparation, primer application, mixing techniques, application methods, bubble control, environmental conditions, top coats, common mistakes, and professional tips that separate beginners from experts. And before we start, a very special thank you to our amazing channel members. W. George Nana, Anurag Walpure, Robert Potman. Thank you for supporting Hanen Epoxy and helping us continue creating real epoxy education for the world. And if you want access to upcoming members-only tutorial videos, advanced training, and exclusive professional content, you can join the channel membership and become part of the Hanen Epoxy family. Now, let's begin. Part 1. What is 100% solids epoxy? Before installing it, you need to understand what makes this system special. The meaning of 100% solids. When epoxy cures, some systems lose material during evaporation. For example, solvent-based epoxy releases solvents into the air. Water-based epoxy loses water during curing. But 100% solids epoxy contains no evaporating carrier. Everything you apply stays on the floor. That means higher thickness, stronger coating, better chemical resistance, better abrasion resistance, and better long-term durability. Why professionals use it? 100% solids epoxy is commonly used in warehouses, factories, commercial garages, showrooms, airplane hangars, industrial facilities, luxury residential floors, because it provides heavy-duty performance, seamless finish, strong adhesion, chemical resistance, impact resistance, important characteristics. However, 100% solids epoxy also behaves differently. It is thicker, heavier, faster to trap bubbles if handled poorly, more sensitive to application mistakes. That's why professional installation matters. Part 2. Understanding the floor system. A professional epoxy floor is not just one coat. It is a system. Typical system structure. Primer coat, base coat, decorative layer, optional, top coat. Each layer has a specific job. Why systems matter. If one layer fails, the entire floor can fail. That's why professionals think in systems, not products. Part 3. Surface preparation. The most important step. Let me say this clearly. Most epoxy failures happen before epoxy is even mixed. Surface preparation determines whether the floor lasts for years or starts peeling in months. Step 1. Inspect the concrete. Check for moisture, oil contamination, weak concrete, cracks, previous coatings. Why this matters. Epoxy bonds mechanically into the concrete profile. If the concrete is weak or contaminated, the bond fails. Step 2. Mechanical grinding. Professional installers use diamond grinders, shop blasters. This process removes weak surface layers, opens pores, creates texture for bonding. What you should see after grinding. A clean, porous concrete surface with consistent texture. Not shiny, not dusty, not smooth. Step 3. Dust removal. After grinding, vacuum thoroughly. Even small dust particles can weaken bonding. Professionals often vacuum multiple times. Step 4. Crack repair. Repair all cracks, holes, surface damage. Use epoxy filler or repair mortar. Why this is important. Unrepaired defects will show through the final floor. And under heavy traffic, cracks may expand. Step 5. Moisture testing. Concrete moisture is dangerous for epoxy. Moisture vapor pushes upward and creates bubbles, blisters, delamination. Professional rule: never skip moisture testing. Part 4. Primer application. Now we begin building the system. Purpose of primer. Primer penetrates concrete pores, seals the substrate, improves adhesion, reduces outgassing. Outgassing explained. Concrete contains trapped air. Without primer, air rises during curing and creates bubbles. Application process. Mix primer accurately. Use roller or squeegee. Apply evenly across the floor. What a good primer coat looks like. Uniform appearance. No dry spots. No puddles. Good penetration. Curing. Allow primer to cure according to manufacturer recommendation. Not too early. Not too late. Part 5. Mixing 100% solids epoxy. This is where many beginners fail. 100% solids epoxy requires accurate mixing because chemistry is exact. Step 1. Understand the ratio. Common ratios: 2:1, 3:1, 1:1. Always follow manufacturer instructions. Step 2. Measure accurately. Never estimate. Use digital scale. Marked mixing containers. What happens if ratio is wrong? Soft curing. Sticky surfaces. Weak floor. Uneven gloss. Chemical failure. Step 3. Mix slowly. Mix for 3 to 5 minutes. Scrape. Sides. Bottom. Corners. Why slow mixing matters. Fast mixing introduces air. Air becomes bubbles inside the floor. Step 4. Waiting period. After mixing, allow epoxy to sit for a few minutes. This helps trapped air rise naturally. Part 6. Application of the main coat. Now we install the core layer. Pouring the epoxy. Pour epoxy in ribbons across the floor. Do not dump in one pile. Why? Large masses generate heat faster. This shortens working time. Spreading technique. Use squeegee for thickness control. Roller for leveling. How professionals move. Steady movements. Consistent pressure. Controlled pace. Not rushed. Not aggressive. Target result: a smooth, even coating with consistent thickness across the floor. No roller marks. No puddles. No dry spots. Part 7. Spiked rolling and bubble control. Now we remove trapped air. Spiked roller purpose: breaks surface tension. Releases trapped bubbles. Helps leveling. How to use it. Wear spiked shoes. Roll gently in multiple directions. Common beginner mistake: over-rolling. This creates texture and introduces air. Torch or heat gun can help with surface bubbles, but use carefully. Too much heat causes yellowing, waves, burn marks. Part 8. Decorative options. 100% solids epoxy can also include decorative systems. Options: metallic pigments, flakes, quartz systems. Why add them? Visual enhancement, texture, slip resistance. Professional tip: decoration should support performance, not weaken it. Part 9. Top coats. Now, let's protect the system. Why top coats matter. Even strong epoxy benefits from added protection. Top coats improve scratch resistance, UV resistance, chemical resistance, gloss retention. Common professional top coats: polyurethane, PU, polyaspartic. Difference: PU, flexible and UV stable. Polyaspartic, very fast curing and durable. Part 10. Curing process. This is where patience becomes professionalism. Curing stages: touch dry, walkable, light use, full cure. Important: just because the floor feels hard does not mean it is fully cured. Why full cure matters. Heavy traffic too early can damage the coating permanently. Part 11. Common failures. Let's protect you from expensive mistakes. Failure 1, peeling. Cause, poor preparation. Failure 2, bubbles. Cause, moisture or poor priming. Failure 3, sticky surface. Cause, incorrect mixing ratio. Failure 4, uneven gloss. Cause, inconsistent application. Failure 5, yellowing. Cause, UV exposure without protection. Part, dodza profissional, tipos. Here's what professionals do differently. They prepare longer than beginners. They measure accurately. They control environment. They work methodically. They understand chemistry. And most importantly, they respect the process. Final message. 100% Solids epoxy flooring is not just about appearance. It's about performance, durability, discipline, precision, professionalism. When installed correctly, it creates floors that last for years while still looking beautiful. At Hanen Epoxy, we don't just teach products. We teach mastery. We teach systems. We teach real-world professional skills. If this video helped you learn something valuable, subscribe to Hanen Epoxy. Like the video, share it with someone learning epoxy flooring. And if you want deeper tutorials, advanced techniques, and exclusive training, join our channel membership. We're preparing special members-only tutorial videos that go far beyond what we can show publicly. And finally, I'm still waiting for my very first super thanks. If you'd like to support the channel and help us continue creating professional epoxy education, your support truly means a lot. Remember, great epoxy floors are not created by luck. They're created by knowledge. I'll see you in the next video.